Alright. Hello, how are you everybody? I'm back again. I'm not done my projects yet. Here's the outside tap for the garden hose. The old one was leaking. I took it off. I put this fitting on here, as you can see. I'll solder that on. There's the new outside garden hose there. Now before I install that, I got to put Teflon tape on that too. I thought maybe a washer goes in there, but no. I was just at the hardware store, they said no, so I had some Teflon tape on there already, but I guess I didn't have enough, it was leaking, so we're going to try this again.